Hi Asad, this is Biplav speaking, and this is my daily checklist video. Today I opened my mail and started my work at 9 in the morning. And first of all, I added my KGC and finished it properly, and then I check out all the beta team little channel and also something like that, and then I go to my remain product research of Frontier Amazon. I working on that product research, and then I after some time I visited my BA task management also, and there is a work schedule over here sent for us. Frontier view form, I done it properly and submitted on the proper channel. Please check out over there. And then I also work on the HonestGreen product research. I started, and when I work on that file, there is a huge restricted product. I also maintain all the system, and I got some product and set it on my channel. Please check out here. And there is some many product remain. Tomorrow it will be finished. So there is a say about this HonestGreen site. When I check out over here every product, then I saw that there is no image showing. But what is the problem actually? I don't know. Every product they didn't show any image over their site. So if there is any way, please check out over their site and tell me what is the problem of me or something problem of their site. So that is today's work actually. So thank you for watching my video. Bye.